In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize the size of your files in Canva, making them more manageable and efficient for your needs. Whether you're preparing a presentation, a social media post, or any other creative project, ensuring your file is easy to handle can save you time and frustration. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's open Canva. If you're on your computer or mobile device, go ahead and log into your Canva account. Once you're in, locate the specific project you're working on. If you haven't yet created a project, you can make a new one by selecting the design size or template that suits your needs. This could be a presentation, a flyer, an Instagram post, whatever it is that aligns with your goal. Now, once you're ready to download your file, click on the Download button, typically represented by a downward arrow icon at the top right of your project screen. This is where you'll get a better look at your current file size. Don't worry if you can't see this size right away. When you download the file, Canva will actually display the file size for you. So go ahead and hit that download button and wait just a moment. This part could take a little bit as Canva processes the file. Once the download is complete, you'll be able to see the size of your file. This information is crucial if you're planning to upload it somewhere that has size restrictions or if you simply want a more portable file size. If you find that your file is larger than you expected or it's just too big for your needs, you have a couple of options to adjust and optimize it. A handy feature in Canva allows you to compress the file, reducing its size without a noticeable loss in quality. To do this, head back to the Download menu and look for the option that says Compress File. This option is generally located within the download settings, often labeled to let you know it's meant for reducing file size. By selecting it, Canva automatically adjusts the file, which can help significantly when you need to save space. Another option to consider is decreasing your file's size dimensions. Sometimes, simply resizing the dimensions of your design can greatly reduce how big the file will be. This is particularly helpful if your project doesn't need to be a massive, high-resolution image and you can work with a smaller size. Once you've made these adjustments, go ahead and download your file once more by clicking that download arrow. Yes, once again, we'll wait patiently for a moment while Canva works its magic. Now, compare the new file size against your first download. You should see a noticeable difference in size, making it much more practical for sharing or storage. By following these steps, your Canva files can be more tailored to fit your needs, ensuring you keep your projects manageable and efficient.